I'm big on repurposing content. I'm also big on the sort of what I call like the elasticity of content, that big things can be pulled apart into small things can be expanded into big things. Another major thing I'm a proponent of, these are all sort of related. I'm also a huge proponent of evergreen content, meaning creating content that is basically timeless. When you're talking about the news of the day, which I basically never do, right? If I talk about, let's say if I talk about what Trump did today, and I don't get into politics and any of that, but if I do that, or whatever the news of the day is, right? A new law was passed today, let's say, right? Let's put it in your terms, right? There's a new, interest rates change or whatever, right? The lifespan of the value of that piece of content that I put time and effort into creating is basically a day, because it's going to become outdated, right? It's going to become old news. It's going to whatever. If I instead create a piece of content that is the mindset it takes to invest in real estate, or maybe it's like the parameters to assess whether something's a good investment. I'm making this up, right? That is likely every bit as valuable a year from now, 5 years from now, as it is today. So when you create evergreen content, you expand the potential ability you have to get value from it, which means ultimately in the long run, you're going to get more value from it.